Hey, this is Tess with Rowe Dental Lab, and for those of you who are printing in office, I want to talk a little bit about how Rowe can kind of be a pinch hitter for you if you have someone on, let's say, maternity leave, no longer with the practice, on vacation, out sick. There's so many things that can happen when we kind of have a point person in an office that is designing the cases for us that you guys are printing. And I want to talk about how Rowe can help you guys out. So if you find yourself in that scenario and you are still wanting to print the final prosthetic in your office to save on the case, but you need to outsource the design, we talk a lot about fixed design services, which we have available here at Rowe. But what you may not know is we also have removable design services. So if you're looking to have a denture design or guard design, we can absolutely do both of those for you. Go ahead and send us your intraoral scans. We'll fabricate a design, and then we'll go ahead and email that back to you for you guys to print yourselves in office. So again, we have quite a bit of design services when it comes to us designing, you guys printing. So please, if you ever find yourself in those shoes where you need a pinch hitter for your removable cases or your guard, think of us here at Rowe.